This US Army tank was abandoned for decades. What you're about to see shocked everyone.
Silent and rusted, the tank bears witness to the heavy cost of past interventions.
Corrosion localized near the forward straps. Marking for structural integrity check.
The recovery vehicle strains at maximum capacity. The tow straps stretch to their breaking point as the mud slowly releases its grip. Using specialized high-pressure systems, the maintenance crew blasts away thick layers of mud and debris, revealing the complex machinery beneath. The exterior armor panels are slowly separated, revealing the complex systems housed within the turret structure.
The stress fracture extends further than we thought.
Shine your light right there. See that hairline crack?
Confirmed. Recording the coordinates now.
The armor plating sustained heavy damage, but here, in the quiet of the depot, the long process of repair begins. The intense heat of the arc welder fuses the heavy steel plates, creating a bond strong enough for the battlefield.
We've verified the structural integrity of the repaired sections.
The inspection confirms it. This vehicle is mission ready.
The beating heart of the Abrams tank, the AGT 1500 gas turbine engine, exposed for the first time.
The mesmerizing dance of sparks highlights a new era of craftsmanship. Computer-aided precision transfer.
With the engine systems fully restored, this veteran is ready to roll, a testament to American engineering and resolve. Applying the specialized primer requires absolute precision, ensuring the advanced armor is protected while honoring the flag.
Highlighting the flawless paint and craftsmanship, the team ensures these refined edges meet the highest standards before the final insignia is applied.
The robotic arm ensures an even layer of the specialized coating, designed to resist the harshest environments. Each section is meticulously coated, while critical markings, like the U.S. flag emblem, are carefully protected from the spray.
Highlighting the flawless paint and craftsmanship, the team ensures these refined edges meet the highest standards before the final insignia is applied.
The robotic arm ensures an even layer of the specialized coating, designed to resist the harshest environments. The flawless olive green finish protects the advanced composite armor. Every bolt.
Armor integrity confirmed.
Diagnostics show all systems nominal, ready to roll. The M1 Abrams remains the backbone of the Armored Corps, requiring meticulous maintenance to ensure mission readiness.
O M1 Abrams. Símbolo de força inabalável e liberdade.
The transformation is stark, from a rusted Hulk left to decay to a fully restored M1 Abrams, ready for service once more. Once broken, now restored. A symbol of resilience, standing proud once more. They stand ready, always. And we must never forget the sacrifice they represent.